So this is the dashboard inside of Lumen5, where you can create slideshow videos, and I did one earlier and I had a short tutorial on that. What I wanted to show you as well is that when you're creating a new video, there's lots of options to create different videos. So there's all sorts of different templates available inside. So what I normally do is skip this because now you've got different formats of videos, and you can choose these different formats for different social media. For example, Facebook, you can do a news feed video. There's the other one here, 60 seconds news feed video, a story video, or a carousel ad. So this could be used for Facebook, and it's all in the in different sizes. And the same for Instagram. So you can do a post on Instagram, or a 1:1 ratio story, or Instagram TV, which is 120 seconds. Then you've got for Twitter as well, where you've got a timeline, 140 seconds. And then you've got a Snapchat version, and the YouTube landscape version. Then you've got your LinkedIn, you've got 2 for LinkedIn, and then you have Pinterest as well. And then there's custom sizes. So because I normally post my videos to YouTube, is the one that I normally choose is this one, the YouTube version. And that's how I did my post yesterday, which was where I pasted a blog post domain URL into here, and then used that as the basis to create the video that is going to be shown after this. So that is how I use this software, Lumen5. Not forgetting that you can actually record your own voiceover as well. And then this is just basically where you can preview your video and what you've the creation, and then here is where you publish that video. So this is the basis of Lumen5. There will be a link to the Lumen5 in the description below this video. There's no commissions or anything. I'm not an affiliate. It's just basically showing you what you can do with this online video maker. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye for now. How to turn a blog post into a video in minutes. Would you like to be able to reuse your blog posts and create quick storyboard videos? I found this amazing tool that helps you to turn a blog post into a video. You choose a blog post that you want to turn into a video. Copy the blog post link to the dashboard of Lumen5 API, and your post will show as text at the left side of the screen. You can select images or video clips for the background of the slides. Choose which text to use as an overlay. Finally, choose the background audio track, music, and you're done. You also have the option to upload your logo or a watermark. After you click publish, you will see a pop-up message that your video is rendering. You'll receive an email when it's finished. And when rendering is complete, you can share the video on social media. You can download your video as an MP4 file and upload it to YouTube or Facebook, or add the video to another post on your blog and link to the relevant page or post.